Can you use HELOC financing to buy a second home? Have you ever thought about using the equity in your home to buy a second property? Home equity line of credit financing, often referred to as HELOC financing, can be a smart way to do just that. Let's break down how this works and what you need to know. A home equity line of credit is a loan that allows you to borrow against the equity you have built up in your home. Think of it like a credit card, where you can withdraw funds as needed during a specific period, usually between 5 to 10 years. To qualify for a HELOC, you typically need a good credit score, enough equity in your home, and a reasonable debt-to-income ratio. Now, how can you use this to buy a second home? If you have significant equity in your current property, you can use those funds for a down payment or even to purchase the entire second home. This can be a great option if you are looking to invest in real estate or secure a vacation property. However, keep in mind that with this strategy comes additional financial responsibilities. You will have multiple mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs to manage. It is essential to assess your financial situation carefully before proceeding. When it comes to lenders, they often view investment properties as riskier than second homes. This can lead to stricter requirements for HELOC financing if you plan to rent out the second property. On the other hand, if you intend to use the second home for personal enjoyment, you may find more flexible terms available. Using HELOC financing can be a strategic move for real estate investors. It provides access to capital for purchasing properties or funding renovations without needing cash reserves. However, it is vital to manage the risks involved, such as variable interest rates and the possibility of foreclosure if payments are missed. If a HELOC does not seem like the right fit for you, there are alternative financing options to consider. Cash-out refinancing or second mortgages can also provide funds for purchasing a second home, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. In summary, using HELOC financing to buy a second home is indeed possible and can be an effective strategy in real estate investing. Just ensure you do your homework and plan accordingly to make the most of this financing option.